How to connect Printful to Shopify. So in this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to exactly connect Printful to your Shopify store. So let's start. So before we begin, what is Printful? So Printful is a platform that allows you to add your custom designs and add those designs to customizable products that they sell. So for example, let's say you're a graphic designer, right, and you want to sell your custom designs on a t-shirt. You might want to use something like Printful, right, to add your custom designs, right, to a t-shirt, right? And so that's what Printful really is. And one of the benefits about this is that you don't have to order 500 boxes of t-shirts, right? Because it's almost like drop shipping, where once you generate a sale, Printful will handle the logistics and the fulfillment of your product, right? All you need to do, of course, is generate traffic to your store to generate those sales. All right. So to download or connect Printful to Shopify, right, you will need to download the Printful app from the Shopify App Store. I'll have a link to this in the description below, so you guys can just click it and download it from there. All right. So to install it, all you need to do, of course, is just click install. Right, and so now it's just making sure it's the right store. Click install right here, right, and we're done, and we have officially installed Printful to Shopify, right? So as you can see here, right, step one was to connect your store. Step two is to publish your products to the store, which I'll show you right now how to do that, right? So let's pretend that I want to sell a custom design, right, on a t-shirt, right? So I'm going to select this one, right? And so as you see here, you could confirm any types of options that you need to do, right? So we're gonna just do, leave it as is, right? If you want to do printing or embroidery, right, which type of colors do you want, right, sizes that supports it, and description as well, right? And then some images that they'll probably provide you. So next we're gonna do start design. Okay, so now we're in the design, right? So now you could check what type of sizes you want to sell, right? Maybe you only want to sell small, medium, large, right? Or maybe XL as well, or select all, right? What type of t-shirts, colors you want to sell as well. And we'll do, now that we're happy with that, just go to upload and drop design. We're gonna just use this one that I just uploaded for fun. Apply. And so there we go. We have a custom t-shirt that we can start selling from our Shopify store using Printful. Continue. And this is one of my favorite things about Printful, right, is that they have already the product images, right? And then they also have images of your product design, right, on, if you're selling, let's say, a t-shirt, right, then they'll have models for that as well, right? So we're gonna just go ahead and continue. And from here, you can customize the prices, right? And one of my favorite things also here is that it shows you how much your profit will be, right? So this is how much it will cost, right, for the product cost, and then the retail. They're suggesting how much, you might want to sell it for, and then your profit will be $3 for that. But let's say maybe you need it to be a little bit more, right? Then, you can increase it, and then you'll be able to see your profit as well. Continue, right? And so here you can customize the product title, the product description. Again, you can do this within Shopify as well. We'll just go ahead and publish it. Okay, so now we can see it's being published to our store, and we can always confirm once we always check. Oh, there was an issue on our end, and your product failed to publish. So it looks like there's an issue on their end, which is not a good look for the video. We're gonna try one more time, and we're gonna do this one: wall art, posters. Right, start designing. We'll go again, apply. we're gonna need to make this smaller. There we go. We only need it, and over here, apply. Okay. Ah, it doesn't meet my requirements, so we're gonna just choose a different product. Products. Add first product, men's clothing, t-shirts. Choose this one. Start designing. Upload here. Apply. Continue. 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 And let's see if this time it works. If it doesn't work, then there's something wrong with Printful. Right? Yeah. So there's something wrong with Printful right now, and so I guess I'll have to try later. But that is how you connect Printful to your Shopify account. Right? Really easy, as you saw. Right? And then from here you can start creating products. Right? Your catalog. You'll be able to track your orders as well from every Printful order that is generated. Payments as well, and then your billing methods on how you want to Printful to charge you as well. Right? And then from here we can go to settings as well. If you guys have any questions about this, you can always comment down below and I'll be happy to help.